Good evening, Cannin users. This is Stephen again, and welcome back to another technical analysis. Tonight we're looking at an interesting preclinical biopharmaceutical company called InMed Pharmaceuticals. The ticker on the OTC at least is IMLFF. They have some interesting cannabinoid press releases of late, both looking at partnering in Canada for fermentation, as well as some patent protection and expansion for some interesting cannabinoid applications. They do have 3 drugs in their pipeline. The most interesting is probably INM405 for pain, facial pain, which could be a huge market in the United States. So definitely keep an eye on this company and their drug pipeline for positive clinical trial results. But let's jump into the pricing chart now and take a look at what we can see. So you see we're looking at InMed Pharmaceuticals, again the Hakanashi. You can see this price has been pretty stagnant for the last couple of days and weeks. You'll see right at around 59.60 cents. We haven't moved very much at all. And I want to show the concept of resistance here. This is a great chart to get that in. Resistance is when there's a level, when there's a price, that the pricing chart never wants to go below. It will come down onto it and bounce off. And look what InMed is doing. It comes down to 59 cents, back up, comes back down to 60 cents, back up, bounces, bounces. We're experiencing another bounce right now. So this 60 cents is definitely a price of resistance for InMed. And with no pricing change that's very drastic, our CCI and our RSI are going to show the same thing. Not really overbought or oversold in any of these situations, staying right in the middle of the zone. So let's just scroll back historically and see if we can see some trends. And it does look like the same resistance was hit here, hit again here, slightly below to 59 cents before a huge increase right around September 10th, September 11th. They did have some news released that day about partnering with British Columbia, but not incredibly important news. And once it hits this resistance line, off it went. And you can see same sort of period that we're seeing today happened historically back here. Not much happening, not much happening, and then boom. Not much happening, not much happening, boom. Both the CCI and the RSI are showing that trend. So I would see something pretty similar here too. Not much is happening until we're going to see some positive movement. This is bouncing on the resistance line, and once it bounces, it's going to come up, and there's going to be an opportunity to take profits here. So look for lines of resistance, look for lines of support, which are the opposite, and continue to use your technical indicators to analyze these biopharmaceutical charts, which are really interesting in themselves. So have a good evening and continue technical analysis with us week to week.